Alright, finally! We're blowing out again! We're blowing them again, guys! Woohoo! Yeah! Blowing them again, blowing them again. My best friend Andy. Good, give a thumbs up! Give a thumbs up! Woo! Okay. Very first test. We'll set the camera down and we'll let this party get started. Yeah? We have 64. So, let's let her rip, guys. We'll set the camera down and we'll let this party get started. So,
Can you just hold it?
Yeah. Okay, guys. We'll do it in 3, 2, 1.
The baby's coming back now.
Yeah! Woohoo!
Okay, that's it.
5 of our guys have not come by yet.
Blow the horn! Really loud! Blow it! Woo! Yeah, there it goes! And yes, thank you guys so much for watching my video. And yes, see you later with, I don't know, it'll be quite a while when I blow them again, but hopefully I do a run by one day and maybe I'll get my locomotive bell soon. I'm not making so much videos right now because I'm busy saving up for my locomotive bell. So, and I'll be getting a really small air compressor soon for my train horns. So yeah, see you later. Bye. Bye. Yep.